Izzy Bites, have I got something for you. Winter baking is coming, family, and once you make this homemade vanilla extract, you are never buying that little expensive store bottle again. 2 ingredients, real vanilla bean and 100 proof vodka. That's it. Now let's get it popping. Welcome back, Izzy Bites. Today I'm taking you back to the old school way. First off, we have our Madagascar vanilla beans and our 100% proof vodka. Also, we have our swing top bottles. For the Madagascar vanilla beans and the swing top bottles, links are provided down in the description. Next, we're going to give our beans a quick check, checking our pods, making sure that they're soft and they're not hard and dry. Afterwards, we're going to clip our tips off. Reason being is that we're about to split these open. After cutting off the tips, you're going to take the back of your knife and you're going to flatten out the pod itself. Then we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut down gently in the middle of the pods so that the beans are exposed. Once the beans are exposed, you're going to take your knife and you're going to scrape the inside and pull the beans out of the pod itself. See that? That's like 1,000,000 beans there. Now, family, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our vanilla beans into our jars. Now, what I recommend you to do is to have yourself a funnel because it makes it very easy to get your beans in there and also your alcohol. For this kitchen equipment, your funnels, your Madagascar vanilla beans, and your flip top jars, the link is in the description below. Okay, and you can click on that and it will take you directly to a place where you can order these and have them delivered into your home. Okay, now that we're adding our vanilla beans into each jar, for a jar this size that holds about 8 ounces, you're going to put around 2 to 4 vanilla beans inside your jar. Now here, I tried to fill up all 4 of my jars, but I didn't have enough alcohol. So what I did was took the extra 2 vanilla beans that was in the last jar and added them into the third one, as you will see here in the video. Now, once we do that, we're going to top them off and we're going to seal our jars. So remember, after you seal your jars, make sure you wipe them down. Make sure that they're clean of any alcohol that's on it because, you know, alcohol is flammable and you don't want to have no issues. Next, we're going to take each one of our jars and give them a good shake so that that vanilla bean can disperse all within that alcohol and start releasing the flavor. Now, remember, family, yes, this is alcohol, okay? So it is flammable. So you're going to want to make sure you keep this from the heat. Now, after we shake our jars, you're going to take your jars and put them in a dark space. You can put them in a cabinet and keep it away from the light, okay? And as time goes on within the months, the vanilla beans are going to release their flavor, but you have to make sure that you are shaking your jars from time to time, maybe every other day for about 3 months. After 3 months, you should be good to go to start using it, but the best time to use it is after 6 months, because that's when all of the alcohol has released itself. And as well, the vanilla bean has had a chance to release all of that flavor, okay? So you can let this sit indefinitely, and the longer it sits, the richer the vanilla becomes. Family, I pray you enjoy this video. Until the next time, Izzy Bites.